Hello again, everybody. This is Charles with First Auto Credit and paddleking Boats. And here I'm showing you a 2020 LoPro Cruiser, navy and white. Floor plan number 4, so it has the fishing seats up front. These customers opted for the table. We have the integrated storage box and livewell, along with the Lowrance Hook 2 and the Fusion audio head unit. You can probably hear the water running. This is a Tohatsu 20 horsepower fuel injected engine. I've already gone through the break-in procedure. I just want to start it for you. Extremely quiet running engine. We'll put it in gear. Quiet engagement. We'll go to reverse. And you can use your controls here. This is how to raise and lower the engine by the handle controls. This is a neutral rev control. You can bring up the RPM to warm it up quicker. I'm gonna kill it and I'm gonna cover a couple things with you. On the 2020s, you'll notice there is a third pontoon in the center. The tri-tune design, they opted to go that for the 2020. This particular floor plan, there's 5 floor plans. This one's a number 4, like I said. It comes with the seats in the rear separated, and then it has a measuring station here. And inside I have my test fuel tank. And all of your battery and controls are located by the driver. This is an extremely clean boat. And I'll climb up here. They opted for a ladder. This floor plan doesn't come with a ladder, but I mounted off to the side. So that way you can still utilize that for getting back in the boat. Let me hop here. We'll go in the boat. So you'll notice our 2 swivel seats up front. I'm just gonna step over the gate. I still got a little bit of water on here. I just washed this boat. It's going for delivery tomorrow morning. LoPro Cruiser. Tohatsu off the back. Our 2020s, there is an upgraded console. It's a wider, and they also include a dry storage box with USB charger ports, so that way you can charge your phone and keep all your belongings, cell phone, things like that. On our Fusion audio, it's set up for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I'll just turn it on here. It's on FM right now, and we're just on a local pop station. To mute this head unit, press it once. To unmute it, press the power button again. To turn it off, hold the power button down and it'll shut down. Comes with a really nice heavy rubber cover to keep the weather off. And that's pretty much it. All your controls on these happen to be mounted here for the bilge, with your live well, your navigation lights. This is just a very clean boat. They're going to use it on their own private lake. So thank you to the Joneses in Oklahoma. Your boat will be to you by 2 p.m. tomorrow. I appreciate y'all. I hope you enjoy this boat and have